everyone, welcome back to Gossip with Khanak. This is Khanak Ajela reporting. Let's get started with today's topic. I really hope that you are enjoying this humorous light series on financial scams and frauds that can happen in today's world. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Let's get started. This time Raju falls into a scam which can happen to anyone nowadays. So pay close attention. So Raju loved her daughter very much and her birthday was approaching very soon. And for that event, Raju wishes to give her daughter a grand party, just like every other father. So Raju surfed the internet and tried to contact the nearest banquet hall or hotel for the availability of that date. And as soon as he found one of the good banquet halls, he tried to contact them. And he called the hotel and asked if there was a banquet hall available on that date. The person replied in positive and Raju was very happy. The person said that, sir, sure there are banquet hall available and the price will be so and so. But sir, before that you have to fill this form and pay this advance fee. And Raju said that sure, I will pay and fill the form, whatever you say. So the person said that thank you sir, I'm sending the link of the form to your phone and I'll be calling you back within 5 minutes. Raju filled the form. There was nothing wrong about the form and it just asked the basic detail of Raju. Raju filled the form. Raju received a call after 5 minutes and the person said that sir, thank you for filling the form. Now, for the next step of the transaction, the advance payment, I would like for you to give me a few details. So, you have to give me the CVV and the number on your credit card. And that is where Raju should have stopped, but he didn't. Without even thinking, Raju gave away the details of the card just like that. And after that, the person said that Raju will receive an OTP. And again, without thinking and all that he has gone through, all the scams and all the scams that he has gone through, the lessons he has learned, he still gave the OTP. And guess what happened? Again, Raju got scammed and a huge amount got debited from his bank account. Well, what did we learn from the story? Point number 1, that you cannot share details of credit card, debit card just like that to unverified and unauthorized number. Secondly, you should verify the authenticity of the person who is giving you a deal or asking for an advance or an amount of money before paying, giving details or giving OTP or any such detail. Thirdly, when such incident happens with you and you receive the OTP, there are always details attached to the OTP, such as the merchant you are paying to, some transaction details. You should always check that. In case you are giving an OTP to someone, before giving, do check those details. They are very essential. By knowing about it and reading it, you can save yourself from being scammed, and by knowing that you are paying to the correct person, correct merchant. Point number 4, you should always verify the authenticity of the place or the hall that you are booking, the hotel you are booking, and the contact of that place. Lastly, if you are a victim of such a scam, do report it to the nearest cybercrime station or to the official government site www.cybercrime.gov.in. I really hope that you enjoyed today's episode. We'll meet next week. Till then, keep smiling.
This will be the conclusion of our today's discussion. To watch more of this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll keep the videos coming.
A KH production.